Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to clear the cache on the EA app using your PC. Let's get started. First, make sure the app is completely closed. If it's running in the background, in keyboard, press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete to open Task Manager. Find the EA app and click in Task. Now press Windows plus R. A small box will pop up. Type in %program data %/EA desktop and hit enter. A folder will open. Inside you will see many files. Select everything in that folder but do not delete the folder called shared. Delete the rest of the files. After that, again press Windows key plus R. Now enter %app data and hit enter. It will take you to the roaming folder. Look for the EA desktop folder, right click it and delete it. Then at the top of the window, click on app data in the path bar. Open the local folder and delete the EA desktop folder there as well. Once you have done that, restart your computer. After the restart, open the EA app again. It will reveal press cache files, and usually this fixes most glitches or loading problems. And that's it. You have cleared the cache on the EA app in just few minutes using your PC. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.